everybody, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets, and today we are going to work on some savings challenges. It has been quite a while since I've done any challenges, so let's go ahead, open up and see where we're at. We're going to skip that one, but I would like to put a little bit into my giving envelope. I haven't done this in quite a while, so we're going to add another $5 into here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So then I have 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 120. Only $30 away from our saving goal. And once I get it saved, I will be making a donation to this organization. I have seen it in action firsthand, so I really am impressed with what they are able to do for foster kids. So that is that one. Should I go ahead and work on this? Yeah, let's work on this. I have these glitter markers that I don't use on anything, and that doesn't look like it's glitter or metallic or anything, but oh well. Okay, so let me do a blue because I've been working on these ones. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll stuff 5 ones in here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is still available. There's a link in the description below the video to go get your copy off of Google Docs. I have it sized for 2 different sizes, and I put mine into the laminator and made an envelope, and I like it, so go get yours, and it's free. I'm not going to roll. There's just not enough money for that, and most of my games are getting a little bit done, so I'd be rolling and not having one to do from what I rolled. So let's go ahead and work on this one and just see how far we can get with it. This is Save the Rainbow. There are a few copies of this left. A few of these games left on my Etsy store if you are interested. They are a physical copy, and they come with the 12-sided dice, I believe. I don't remember. I think I have dice for it. But it takes 12-sided dice and the color dice. So let's roll and see what we save. I am going to close this and roll on here so it doesn't make so much noise. Ooh. Okay, so 10 on a purple, and that is available. Okay, so we are going to put 10 over here. That doesn't work so well. Okay, so blue on, it's blue and 8 is not available, so we will re-roll again. Red 7, that is available. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another one. So red 5, that is available. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think I'm going to end there so I don't have a IOU, just because with everything that's been going out, I want to be sure that I've got the funds next week, our next pay period, that I need. We are going to put this back in and pull out the next one. I believe this is where this goes. Okay, my month ahead is in here, I think. Yes, and I am not adding this up. I'm just sticking stuff in as I get it, because I'm just not in a place to be able to do this quite yet. So that is actually the end for my pay period. However, I do have a penny challenge to do in the next video, as I have emptied out my wallet. So come back and check out the penny challenge. It will probably be uploaded in 2 days. That's usually what my schedule, what I'm doing regularly, is like every, I think it used to be Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I might change that up and do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from now on. I don't know. We'll see how that would go. It might go back. It might change altogether. I don't know. I'm a hot mess. Never know what I'm going to do. So come back and see that one in the next video. Until then, thanks for being here with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.